Instagram. We all love Instagram, and I think for the most part, most people are familiar with using the Instagram platform. But when it comes to small business, if you are a content creator, professional florist, or maybe an artistic entrepreneur of some sort, you know that Instagram is a real powerful tool to help us grow our businesses as creatives. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm designer Frank Blanchard, AIFD, and like I mentioned, Instagram is a really powerful tool when it comes to marketing our small businesses. And if you are a content creator, a professional florist of some sort, or an artistic entrepreneur of some other medium, many of us are it when it comes to our business. There's nobody else as part of our business. We're kind of a one-person show. So consequently, trying to manage our time the best we can in order to gain the most benefit can be a challenge. Instagram is a really powerful tool, and for some, you might think it's a bit of a time suck. But that said, I've got some tips for you that will help streamline your Instagram marketing strategy so that you can really optimize building the brand of your business, growing your audience, and really cultivating some loyal customers. Now, I think for many of us, we have all seen many of the videos here on YouTube and even seen postings on the Instagram platform itself, hearing that in order to grow your followers on the platform, you have to do a lot of posting, whether they're single posts, whether you are using the new carousel feature, which I highly recommend, by the way, and video content. The platform itself, though, isn't so much about posting as much as you possibly can every day, every week, etc., because that takes so much time. The Instagram platform really is and has optimized the algorithm just last year in 2020, back in November, their update, so that it really gets down to consistency. If you can select a few scheduled days every week when you post something, or you post a few things on those days, and if you can stick to that schedule, Instagram will benefit you for it. If you can add additional posts here and there, if something interesting comes up, that can help. But today I've got one specific tip for you that can really help you grow your following and develop your brand awareness and help you grow your audience so that you ultimately get more followers for your Instagram channel. Now, this tip today is kind of combining a few different techniques. You might have heard the $80 strategy from Gary Vee. This kind of uses a little bit of that and a little bit of some other strategies that I've learned that work really well. Now, if you do have a small Instagram feed and you don't have that many followers, you're probably trying to get your Instagram profile to grow and get more people to know about you. In order to do that, a couple of things need to happen. One, you definitely do need to make sure that you've got some postings on your Instagram feed, because there's nothing worse than having people get to your profile to see what your profile is all about, and there's nothing there that gives them any of that kind of information. Once you do start getting some posts on your feed, though, how do you actually go about growing your audience and getting people to be aware of your brand, your business name, what you do, etc., on the platform. A lot of it really has to do with name recognition and getting your name out there so that people see it. Now, instead of going through on your home screen and looking at a lot of different postings on Instagram and liking them, etc., that's a big time suck. And I think we can all admit we've gotten sucked into that scenario. But if you're a business, we don't have time to spend doing that. So we have to be strategic about how we get people to really notice us. For starters, when you're on your home screen, get into the search section and type in a hashtag that you normally would use for your postings, or utilize a hashtag that you know is really popular and has a lot of people searching for that topic, and there are also quite a few videos or postings about that topic. Look at the top few that are the most recent postings in that hashtag, and look at which profile feeds are very similar to yours within your niche. And if you are a small local business that really caters to the people in your immediate local area, some of the profile feeds that you want to make sure that you're doing this with are the other businesses that you normally work with in your immediate area. For my particular niche, which is as a professional florist, this is where it's really important to make sure that you are following the Instagram feeds of the wedding and event photographers in your area, and the bridal salons, and the hair and makeup artists. These are all people that have small businesses in your immediate local area that most likely have an Instagram feed. So those are some of the ones that you want to make sure that you follow their Instagram feed. Once you have started selecting specific Instagram feeds to follow, this is kind of the hack that really helps. You want to try and make sure to be a top commenter on that feed's postings. Now, how do you do that? Well, over here, I've got a screenshot of my phone that gives you some of the things that you need to make sure to do. One thing that you see in this screen, after you have followed a page, you will notice that at the top of the screen, you get a little bell icon that shows up. And it's just like the bell icon here on YouTube. And it's where you can determine what kind of postings from that business or individual that you want to see. If you only want to see their IGTV postings, you can do that. Or their Reels postings, you can select to only see those. However, for this strategy, I've really found it helps to make a point of selecting only their regular postings on the Instagram platform. Once you've selected that, you will get a notification on your phone that will let you know that they have uploaded some new postings. What you want to do, and this is where it really helps you out so that you don't have to spend hours going through all different postings on the Instagram platform. For your business, though, you don't have the time to spend to do that. When you get these notifications, you want to jump on them. See what the posting is and make sure that you like the posting and you give it a heart, and you also comment on the posting. Make sure that you are giving some sort of a compliment to their posting, Possibly include asking a question of some sort specifically about the posting, and share some information that you might have that's on the same topic. But make sure that it really focuses the attention on that particular business. Now, how this helps you is if you can make a point of being one of the very top few first people to comment on their posting, anybody else that happens to look and see their posting, your business name and your profile is going to show up for all of the other viewers looking at that specific posting, and they're going to see your business name and your business profile. If you can get into the habit of doing this on a fairly regular basis, people are going to start recognizing your business name and your brand, and thus they are going to end up going to your profile and checking out your feed, and they're more likely to follow you. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in continuing to grow your Instagram feed, check out this next video because I think it will really help you. Until next time, be well everybody, and we'll see you very soon. Bye for now.